Hello and welcome to The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. This time, we drift into the Discover Boating New England Boat Show, celebrating 70 years as New England's largest boat show, right here in Boston. It's the ultimate winter escape for boaters and families, with hundreds of new boats, top brands, exclusive show deals, and right now, John is in the middle of it all, surrounded by boats, buzz, and everything that makes this show a must-see.
Thanks, Sierra. We're down here on the floor of the show, and let me tell you, it is amazing. There's everything from mega power boats to pontoon boats, or things for the kids to do, activities galore. And as usual, our friends from 3A Marine Service are here with one of the biggest displays at the show, and their offerings are amazing. Of course, Jack White's here running the whole show. Right?
Hi, John. Good to see you again.
Jack, what's going on this year?
We have boats from 16 foot to 36 foot here in the Robalo booth.
3A Marine Service always has the boat that's right for you. Whether you're a lake person, kind of a bow rider, kind of a family thing, or you want to do some offshore stuff, you guys really fit the bill, right?
Well, that's the Robalo line. They really do fit that bill. They have something for everybody.
And then Parker is a whole different audience, right?
Parker is, they're doing a little bit of crossover now, but they are more hardcore fishing boats. Yes.
So Jack, the R300.
R300, this is a brand new boat. This is the first time it's been shown at the New England Boat Show, and it's gone over very, very well. Powered by either twin 300s or 350 Yamaha motors. If you come on board,
yeah, I'd love
we'll take a look. The first thing that you notice is this two 30-gallon live wells. So for the fishermen, they're going to be thrilled with that.
Lean padding the full length.
Yes.
So this is a comfortable fishing rig right
boat,
here,
yes.
right? Sure.
Yep. Fold-away seat here in the transom. Great bilge access. So to get at your pumps and things like that. In this area, you can either do this seat or a bait prep station. So, and of course, they have a Yeti cooler with easy access.
You know, all this detail of Robalo, you know, it's amazing, and the stitch on all of the fabric is precise. It's like the inside of a Lamborghini, man.
Oh, they're not shy about getting their logo out there. In fact, I'll show you something real quick.
Amazing. So we have to project the Robalo logo on it. That's not just for the boat show, that's for all the time, right?
Yeah, when you're at the dock at night tied up, having a couple of cocktails with your friends, that's always cool to put on. And we have a shower out here.
Shower here?
Yes.
Built-in?
Built-in shower.
Phenomenal stuff.
Yep.
And besides illumination and amazing outdoor showers, let's get to the real meat and potatoes on this boat.
All right, come on aboard. The 30-foot Robalo is the only 30-foot center console right now that has 3 seats up at the dash. They all have bolsters. The center seat, the captain's chair, has an electric motor to go back and forth.
And it's a great feel. It's got that real performance boat look about it.
Exactly, exactly. Tilt steering wheel. This boat is equipped with Garmin dual 16-inch screens. This has the joystick.
Yeah.
It also has the automatic trim tabs. Vent window on the front. Now you notice how beefy the actuators are for that. You can run this window wide open at full speed or at any level that you want.
So very important.
Yeah, on those cool, nice days and you want to have ventilation, or if you're just cruising around and you have family and friends out front, you can actually have a conversation with them.
Phenomenal.
The head is right up here in the front. Nice opening door.
Wow.
And it is very deep. Down here in the head area, there's storage for the table and the filling cushion here for the bow area. We have a beautiful marine head. This boat has a holding tank with overboard discharge and a nice sink.
All right, you ready for that Robalo slam? That's the kind of quality we're talking about on this boat.
Yeah,
right?
it's solid. The hinges are huge. There's never an issue with that stuff. It's always very good.
And in the bow area, man, I'm seeing a lot of speakers. This boat must bump, as they like to say, right?
Well, yeah, this boat has 2 subwoofers and 2 tweeters, and it has 6 other regular speakers in the boat. We don't need waves to rock the boat. The stereo will do it.
That's for safety, of course. Other boats have to hear you coming.
Yeah.
So what about the forward area here?
All right, up in the bow area, and here we have, the backrests so that it's nice and comfortable. What we like about the Robalos also, John, is that you can actually open things up. These are dry storage, channeled and gasketed, and you don't have to remove the cushions to do it.
So important.
Yeah.
Don't have to unsnap the cushions to do it.
Makes it nice and easy.
This is grand.
Yes.
You're getting up there if you're getting into this boat, but there are center consoles that fit sort of a smaller bill as well, right?
Yes. The 16, the 18, the 20, the 22, the 23, the 25, and the 27. That's going to fit just about anybody's needs. All those boats. We usually carry a very, very in-depth inventory of all the Robalos and Parker boats.
So as a testament to 3A Marine Service, you have many, many repeat customers, right?
Yeah. The first Robalo I ever sold was at this boat show. Those people, they are about to buy their 4th Robalo from me.
And of course, full service.
Yeah, well,
Right
3A Marine is known, it's in the name, 3A Marine Service. And it started as an outboard repair shop, and obviously over the years it has grown to, a premier boat dealership on the South Shore.
We've got a lot of boats to look at, but maybe I'll have you put me on the list for this one.
Well, we can get you for a ride anytime you want.
Awesome, thank you.
Thanks, John.